Video started?
It's my nigga Mace right here.
Go back one.
My nigga Big, from the y'all gang, you know what I'm saying?
It's Sean Paul right here.
Just give it a light.
Just the light right there.
Light.
He wants that light right there. I think I just saw. So E-Dub right here.
My nigga Vince.
No, E-Dub.
He's about to go hunting right now.
Oh, he's on a mission.
Oh.
Operation Desert Storm.
Don't do it. Code red, nigga, just back off, man. Whenever you feel like it.
The stoplight, red light, yeah. Anyways, you know.
So Mace.
Still posting. So Mace, tell me a little about you know your swag on how you rap and all that.
So, like who do you compare yourself to?
Yeah.
I mean,
what would you say?
What would you say from your perspective? You know.
Well,
speak a little louder because you know.
Compare myself to me, you know.
Wow, how do you compare yourself to you? I don't really get it.
Yeah, I gotta, you know.
Mace, can you look towards the camera, please?
Yes, come on. This is an interview. Come on.
You know, the fans want to see you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. But yeah, compare myself to me, you know. I just battle my own self.
Oh what?
Oh wow.
Oh what?
That is
something else, man.
That is amazing.
You continue to strive to, you know, better yourself, and you know I really respect that. You know.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I really respect that.
Yeah.
All right.
So is there anything else you wanna, you know?
Is there anybody you look up to when it comes to this rapping thing? You know.
God bless you guys, you know.
Oh.
Can you spit a little something for us, you know?
For the fans, you know. For the fans, you know.
Some off the head, some off the book. You know that book you're holding right now. Yes, that book.
Check.
All right.
Check this. Oh, I'm checking. Oh, hold on. Check mark right.
All right. Okay, he's just ready.
Really about to put it down right now.
Okay.
Me, I'm a cool cat, but I stick 'em up for they cheese. Money on my mind, you make it rain, I make it bleed. I'ma sit back, throw money in air, make history. I'm just sick, you know.
I walked over there.
Oh, E-Dub on the beat.
You know, I'm blank, so
Oh, blank. Oh, I love that. Oh, that was.
Oh man.
I just heard that punchline just now.
I heard
I'm blank. Oh, that is something else.
That's how you do it, dude. That is how you do it.
Hey, teach me.
That's how you do it, dude.
Teach me. Teach me the way.
E-Dub.
I'm saying.
Hey, so tell me a little about the church, you know, that you go to. Tell me a little bit about it.
Ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby.
Oh, like that? Like that? Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
Hear this nigga laughing in the back.
Oh no. What about you, Vince? What do you feel about you know, this church that you go to? Do you know really enjoy, you know?
I feel it all the time.
You feel it? Oh man.
It's Fatu.
Oh.
There it was.
Fatu, man.
Right here, Fatu right here.
Fatu.
Oh no.
I'm saying, the session is on, dude.
Oh.
Session is on.
Where?
Where? EJ.
Oh, we got my nigga EJ.
Come on, man. Okay, paper me then.
What's up, EJ?
Oh, hello.
And, you know, how was church today?
Oh.
I love you.
Well, it was great, you know. My mom came home and told me that it was a blessing, truly a blessing.
Well, how do you feel about the church that you go to, Compton Church?
Oh, I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you're getting a spiritual, you know, uprising or something like that?
Oh, yeah,
you know?
so much of a spiritual uprising, you know, I can feel it at home.
Oh, what?
You know?
And you know, Eric just sat next to you so I could get more camera.
I just want to hear what he has to say.
Oh, yeah, of course. You can't hear it all the way from over there, though. You know, you got bad ears, so.
So much of, you know.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Back to Mason, about your rapping deal. I heard you got a deal.
Oh, no.
Is that true?
Wrong. Sorry.
You got a deal with the...
700 Block Entertainment.
Yeah, 7... Is this true?
Oh, sorry.
Hold on, I gotta get a whole body shot. And this is the church. And this is the crew. Yeah, oh. How long have you been going to this church?
Huh?
Oh.
Daddy B.
What's up, man?
Oh, what?
You know what I mean?
Oh, what?
I'm about to get bucked, you know what I'm saying?
About to what?
About to get bucked
Oh, I think you said something else.
in a little bit.
Shit, the bad word.
Where's Mason at?
Oh, and this is having a movie night. I'm not really sure what we're gonna watch, but I think it's between Ninja Turtles and Transformers. I want to watch both of them. My preference, that's my preference. But you know, hey, you know we're doing it big out here. You know what I mean? Like we got movie night and everything, man. That's how we do it, man. All right. But hey, back to Eric, Goose. Oh no! Oh no! That was just a little preview. That was a little taste. Hey! Oh no! I thought you were about to. Oh no! I gotta send this tight eyes. Oh no!
This man, butt right here, man.
Stop it! I thought you were gonna dent the car when you were crumping right there, dude.
I could if I wanted to. They're not the car now.
Oh no! Hey. And hey, you know that's how we do it over here, Compton Church. You know everything's cool, and we love you. Oh yeah. All right.